How to download and install any HP printers drivers. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to download and install any HP printers drivers. Watch the video till the end, and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. If you have recently purchased an HP printer or are trying to install it on a new computer, this guide is for you. Whether you are using Windows 7, 8, 10 or 11. In this video, I'll show you the quickest way to install the HP printer drivers and software in just 2 or 3 minutes. So, first of all, open your preferred browser on your device. Then you have to go to the HP printers website. For that, simply click on the search bar at top of the screen and type in HP and press enter on your keyboard. You will land on the result section of HP, where you need to go to the official site, that is hp.com. Then you will land on the HP website. So first of all, you have to reject all the cookies here, and after that go to the support section at top right corner of the screen. Once you're on this interface, select the software and drivers option from here. When you click on it, then you will land on the section where you can easily scroll and change your country or region from here. So once you have selected the country or region, you have to scroll down and then click on download drivers, which is underneath the support section. Click on it, and then here you need to select your product type below, whether that's printer, laptop, desktop, poly or other. So for now, let's select printer option, and then on the search bar, simply you have to click on your or enter your printer model. For example, if you have HP LaserJet 102 series, type that in and select the appropriate option. Once you do that, you will get access to this section of HP College LaserJet Enterprise MFP M681 series. And once you do that, the site will automatically detect your operating system. Or you can also manually select if it is necessary. This includes Windows 7, 8, 10 or 11 or even the Windows Server. And here you will get the two options, that is the operating system or the version. You can simply select the small arrow next to it and select your operating system, which is Linux, or Mac OS, OS Independent, SAP or Windows. And here you need to select the version as well. And once you do that, you need to click on the update button. Once you proceed towards the update button, you will see the two main options, the basic driver or the full software package. I recommend downloading the full software utility, which includes the drivers, printer software and additional features like scanning. For example, for the HP LaserJet, you would like to or you would download the HP Laser Print and Scan driver. Once downloaded, open the file and follow the installation prompts. You have to click on yes when asked for permission and allow the file to extract. Make sure your printer is connected to your computer via USB, or it's a network printer, ensure it's connected to the same network. After that, click on continue and agree to the terms and conditions. And then you'll be prompted to choose whether to send printer analytics data. This is optional. If you are using a network printer, follow the prompts to connect. For USB printers, simply connect your printer and continue. Once installed, you will have a printer icon on your desktop or in the start menu. Double-click to open the software, where you can access printing, scanning and other features. If you encounter any issues, let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.